Welcome. The Actuaries Institute's online examinations are authenticated and proctored using a software called Examity. In this video, we will be showing you how to use Examity on the day of your exam. Well in advance of your exam day, you will need to have set up your profile and scheduled your exam on Examity. Please see our other videos for how to do this. You should also make sure you have done the following: checked your equipment, plugged in your computer or laptop, and checked your internet connection. Remember, you will need to use a Google Chrome browser and enable browser pop-ups. Allow access to your camera and microphone, and change your display to duplicate display settings if you are using two screens. In Examity, ensure you have set up your profile and scheduled your exam and tested your devices. Charged your phone and turned it to silent. Your phone should only be used for you to contact our support team or vice versa. Make sure that your room is quiet and ensure that you have everything you will need for the exam on your workspace in front of you. This includes your exam permit, photo ID for authentication purposes, textbooks, notes, food and drink. On your desktop, ensure that you have downloaded the exam answer template, renamed that document so that it meets the naming convention for your subject, and put your candidate number in the header and footer of every page. 30 minutes before the exam is due to start, log into Canvas, navigate to your subject exam page and select Modules. Click on the Examity link, Examity XSO. Then you will be asked to open this in a new tab, which you should do. Then this will take you to the Examity dashboard. Please note that the Start Exam button will be grayed out until 15 minutes before the exam start time. Firstly, click on Start Exam. A system check will run to check your webcam, microphone, operating system, browser, and internet speed. Click on Next when all the elements are ticked ready. On the welcome page, you will be asked to add the Examity extension. In the Chrome Web Store, click on Add to Chrome, then you will be prompted to click on Add Extension. A pop-up message will confirm when this is successful. Back to the welcome page, click on Next. On the ID photo verification page, if prompted, click on Allow for Examity to access your camera. You will be asked to take a live photo of yourself and your photo ID. You will be asked to place your face into frame and click Take a Picture, or you can retake if necessary. Next, you will be asked to hold up your photo ID and take another picture. When acceptable, click on Accept ID. This will be used for verification purposes and is recorded at this point and checked in the future. You will be asked one of your challenge questions and must answer as you did when you set up your profile. Click Next. Next, type your name as indicated in each text box to verify your digital signature. You should then review the exam rules and note whether there are any special conditions, then click I'm ready. Read and agree to the user agreement to begin your exam. You will then be asked to share your screen for the proctoring to commence. This can take time to load, so be patient. It will open in a new tab. If you are using two screens, please duplicate your screens now. Select your screen, then click Share. Click Allow Access. Your screen is now being shared and you can see this here. A pop-up will appear at the bottom of your screen. Please do not click on Stop Sharing until you finish your exam. If you click the Stop Sharing button during the exam, you will not be able to continue until you reconnect. Click on Hide to hide this bar. Click Launch, and if your exam has started, you will be taken directly to the exam in Canvas. If you reach Canvas earlier than the exam start time, you will not see the question paper or supporting documents. You will need to refresh your page again when the exam is due to start to see the question paper and supporting documents. The Examinee Sidebar will also appear on the right-hand side of your screen. You can minimize this by clicking on the arrow. Do not close any tabs during the exam. If you do, your proctoring session will end and you will need to contact the exam support line immediately to continue your exam. You may begin your exam by clicking on the Start Assignment button and you will see the Upload section. The question paper and answer templates can be downloaded. Make sure you use the exam answer template and put your candidate number on the header and footer of every page. When you reach the end of your exam, you will need to upload your answer files. There's 10 minutes allocated for you to upload your documents, and if your upload is later than this, penalties may be applied. Click on the Upload button and find your working files on your computer. Select all the documents you wish to submit. Before clicking on Submit Assignment, check that the name of your documents have met the naming conventions as set out for your subject. Check that all documents you wish to upload for marking are listed. Click on Submit Assignment when you are finished checking this. Open the Examinee Sidebar up again and click on the End Exam button, and your exam window will close. If you have any questions or encounter any issues on the day of your exam, please call the exam support line immediately. Good luck with your actuarial exams.